Question. A bowl can hold 500 grams of sugar. How much sugar do we need to fill 4 bowls? So here you can see 4 bowls and one bowl can hold 500 gram. See, grams is written in short as G. Okay, so 500 G means what? 500 grams. So one bowl can hold 500 grams of sugar. Then how much sugar do we need to fill 4 such bowls? So how can we find the answer to this question? One bowl can hold 500 grams of sugar, then 4 such bowls can hold, yes, 2000 grams of sugar. So how we got this answer? 4 into 500 gives 2000. So 4 times 500 grams makes 2000 grams. So if we add 500 4 times, 500 plus 500 plus 500 plus 500, that makes 2000 grams. So 4 into 500 gives 2000 grams. So in words, how can we say this? 4 times as much as 500 grams is 2000 grams. Okay, 4 times as much as 500 gram is 200 grams. So here sugar is given in grams. So we have to convert this into in terms of kilograms. So how can we convert this? We know that 1000 grams makes 1 kilogram. Then 2000 grams makes how many kilograms? 2 kilograms, right? 1000 grams makes 1 kilogram. Then 2000 grams makes 2 kilogram. 3000 grams makes 3 kilogram. 4000 grams makes 4 kilogram. Okay? So 2000 grams makes 2 kilogram. Then 500 grams makes how many kilogram? Half of 1000. That is, half of 1 is half. So 500 grams makes 1 by 2 kilogram. So kg means what? Kilogram. Okay. So 4 times as much as 500 is written in terms of half kilogram is 2000 is written in terms of 2 kg. Okay. 4 times as much as half kilogram is 2 kilogram. So this is written. So this is the so we can say 4 into 500 grams is equal to 2000 grams. In terms of words, we can say it as 4 times as much as 500 grams is 2000 grams. And in terms of kilograms, we can say 4 times as much as half kilogram is 2 kilogram. Then as multiplication, how can we say this in terms of kilograms? Yes, 4 times means 4 into 500 grams is half kilograms, right? So 4 into half gives 2 kilograms. So 4 times half means we have to add 4 times so that we will get 2. So here you can see 4 into 1. 4 ones are 4. 4 divided by 2 gives how much? 2. So answer is 2 kilograms. So as multiplication we can write like this, and in words we can write like this. Next question. If 5 strings of 1 by 4 meter long are laid end to end, what would be the total length? So what is the question here? The length of one string is 1 by 4 meter. Then what is the total length of 5 such strings? So how can we calculate this? Length of one string is 1 by 4 meter. Then 5 strings, it will be 5 times 1 by 4, right? So 5 times 1 by 4 meter is how much? 5 times 1 by 4 means what? 5 into 1 by 4. 5 into 1 by 4 gives how much? 5 ones are 5 divided by 4. So if we divide the 5 by 4, how much we will get? 4 ones are 4. 5 minus 4 gives 1. So we will get 1 as a remainder. Here 1 as the quotient and 4 is the divisor. So in terms of whole number, we can write the quotient here as whole number, then write the remainder at the numerator and write the divisor at the denominator. So 5 by 4 can be written as 1 by 4. So the length of 5 strings is how much? 1 by 4 meter. So in words, how can we write this? 5 times 1 by 4 is 1 by 4 meter. So there are some questions are given in your textbook page number 28. So let us solve those problems like this. Find the answers to each of the problems below and then write it in words and as multiplication of numbers. Okay. The first question. What is the total weight of 2 pieces of pumpkin, each weighing 250 grams? So in the question it is given that there are 2 pieces of pumpkin and the weight of one piece is 250 grams. Then what is the weight of 2 pieces of pumpkin? Yes, you will tell immediately. Yes, 500 grams. So we have to write the answer to this question in terms of words and as multiplication of numbers. Okay. And one more question is given. What if the weight is put in kilograms? So we have to express the weight in kilograms also. Okay. So let us see the answer. So the weight of one piece is 250 grams. Then 250 2 times makes 500. So 2 times 250 gram makes 500 gram. So in words, how can we write? 2 times 250 grams is 500 gram. In multiplication form, how can we write? 2 times means 2 into 250 gram. So gram is written in short as G. So 2 into 250. 250 into 2 gives how much? 500. So 250 times gives 500 gram. In the next question, see here, what if the weight is put in kilograms? So we have to convert this gram into kilogram. So how can we convert? We know that 1000 grams makes 1 kilogram and 250 grams makes 1 by 4 kilogram. 500 grams makes half kilogram. So write instead of 250 gram as 1 by 4 kilogram and 500 gram as 1 by 2 kilogram. So in words, how can we write? 2 times 1 by 4 kilogram is 1 by 2 kilogram. As multiplication, how can we write? 2 into 250 means 1 by 4 is equal to 2 ones are 2 divided by 4. 2 by 4 gives 1 by 2. So this is the multiplication form and this is the written form. Okay. So this is written in words and this is multiplication form. So what is the weight of 2 pieces of pumpkin? That is 500 grams. And in terms of kilogram, it is 1 by 2 kilograms. Second question. What is the total length of 4 pieces of ribbon, each of length 75 centimeter? So the length, there are 4 pieces of ribbons are given. The length of each ribbon is 75 centimeter. We have to find the total length of the ribbon. Total length of 4 such ribbons. So length of one ribbon is 75 centimeter. Then length of second one also 75. third one also 75, fourth one also 75. So 75 how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. 75 4 times. So 75 4 times gives how much? 4 times 75 centimeter is, multiply 75 4 times, 75 with 4. So that we will get how much? 5 4s are 20. 2 remaining. 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 2, 30. So the answer is 300. So 4 times 75 makes 300. So what is the length of 4 such strings? 300. So 4 into 75 is equal to 300. This is the multiplication form and this is written in words. Okay. 4 times 75 centimeter is 300 centimeter. What if the length is put in meters? So we have to express this length in meter. Okay. We know that 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. 50, then half of 100 is 50. 50 centimeter is equal to half meter. And half of 50 is 25. 25 centimeter is equal to 1 by 4 meter. And 75 centimeter is equal to 3 by 4 meter. So write here, instead of 75, write 3 by 4, and 100 centimeter is 1 meter. Then 300 centimeter is 3 meter. Okay. So 4 times 3 by 4 centimeter is 3 meter. And in terms of multiplication, how can we write? 4 into 75 is written as 3 by 4 is equal to 3. 300 means 3 meter. So the answer is 3 meter. The length of 4 such string is 300 centimeters, and in terms of meter we can say it is 3 meter. One more question. 1 cup can hold 1 by 3 liter of milk. How much milk can we pour in 2 cups? Then in 4 cups. So the question is 1 cup of milk. 1 cup can hold 1 by 3 liter. L means liter. Okay. 1 by 3 liters of milk. Then how much milk we have to pour in 2 cups? So 1 cup can hold 1 by 3 liters. Then 2 cup can hold how many liters of milk? Yes. How can we find this? 2 times 1 by 3 liters. 2 times 1 by 3 liters makes, yes, 2 times 1 by 3. That is 2 into 1, that is 2 divided by 3. So the answer is 2 by 3 liters. So 2 times 1 by 3 liter is 2 by 3 liter. So 2 cup can hold 2 by 3 liters of milk. Then 4 cups. So suppose there are 4 cups are there. So how many liters of milk can hold in these 4 cups? Yes. How many times 1 by 3? 4 times. 1 by 3, 4 times. So 4 times 1 by 3 gives how much? 4 ones are 4 divided by 3. Always numerators are multiplied. 4 is in numerator, 1 is in numerator. So 4 ones are 4 divided by 3. So 4 by 3 liters of milk holds in 4 cups. Okay. So in words, how can we write? 4 times 1 by 3 liter is 4 by 3 liter. So write all these questions in your notebook, starting from the, write the heading fractions, chapter 3 fractions. After that, write this, draw this figure also, no need. Okay, this you can, if you want, you can draw this. if you are feeling it difficult, then don't draw this figure. Okay, draw these figures, then write this, write this, write the heading multiplication and times, then write the question, write the answer, write the question, answer, write this question, write the answer, then write the question, answer, write the question, answer, write this question, then answer. Okay,